President Cyril Ramaphosa has confirmed that he knows alleged Tembisa Hospital corruption kingpin Hangwani Maumela, but insists their contact has been limited to brief encounters during his morning walks in Sandhurst. The president made the disclosure during a question and answer session in the National Council of Provinces (NCOP) on Tuesday, clarifying the nature of his acquaintance with Maumela after days of public speculation. This admission appeared to contradict statements made on Monday by his spokesperson Vincent Magwenya, who told journalists at the Union Buildings that Ramaphosa had never met Maumela and had no personal or business ties to him. Responding to a question from ANC NCOP member Onika Dipu Modupi, Ramaphosa acknowledged meeting Maumela outside his Sandhurst home in 2024, but dismissed suggestions of a close relationship and said, yes, this matter has occupied the headlines for quite a number of days now. My spokesperson, Mr. Vincent Magwenya, addressed the media yesterday in response to what they said was a video and a photograph. Magwenya had told the media that Ramaphosa's only familial link to Maumela dated back decades, saying the president once married Maumela's aunt and said he's never met Maumela and has no personal or business relationship with him. According to Magwenya, a viral video from September 2023 showing Ramaphosa working with DJ Tipo Touch, Deputy Minister of Employment and Labor Jomo Sibiya, and American pastor Bishop Noel Jones had been misinterpreted to suggest the president was visiting Maumela's home. Ramaphosa told the NCOP that while his spokesperson explanation was largely accurate, it did not cover his subsequent encounter with Maumela, and said 47 years ago, I married his father's sister, his aunt. We divorced 43 years ago. When Honorable John Steenhuisen asked in 2022 whether I knew him, I truthfully said I did not, because I had never met him or seen him. The president said that during his routine morning walks in Sandhurst, he often passes by a large house he had long seen under construction, and said one day as I was working with Mr. Sibiya, I saw DJ Tipo Touch and another gentleman. We stopped for a chat and took a photograph. The allegation was that the person in the photograph was Maumela. It was not. It was Tipo Touch and Mr. Jones from the United States. He said the only time he met Maumela was in 2024. He said, as I was walking on the same street, a man came out of the house and greeted me. He said, I'm Hangwani Maumela. I said, you are the Maumela putting my name into disrepute. He smiled and I walked away. Later that year, on December 26, he said he encountered Maumela again while walking with his daughter and said this young man asked me to greet his mother, Mboneni Maumela, whom I knew from school. I greeted her politely and left. That is the sum total of it all. I did not deal with him. I did not visit his house. I have merely encountered him. Ramaphosa expressed outrage at the corruption allegations against Maumela, who is accused of being a key figure in the looting of more than 2 billion rand at Tembisa Hospital, and said, I'm appalled. As I walk past that house, I know it was allegedly built with money, not property acquired, money that should have been spent on the health of our people. Last week, Special Investigating Unit raided Maumela's home to seize assets allegedly bought with stolen public funds. The broader probe was uncovered 3 syndicates implicated in large-scale corruption at the hospital. Ramaphosa praised the SIU's efforts, calling them proof that the government's anti-corruption drive is yielding results, and said the SIU has taken action, and I applaud them. They are reclaiming stolen money. We must support and applaud their efforts. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.